Today's video, I'm going to teach you a delicious, crispy sweetened banana chips. To make this recipe, we need the following ingredients. 4 unripe green saba bananas known as cardava bananas, 4 tablespoons water, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, cooking oil, generous amount. Let us start making this recipe. First, put a bit oil in a hand before peeling the banana skin to prevent stickiness of its skin extract. After that, cut both tips of the bananas. Slit cut the banana skin. Make sure not touches to the flesh of the fruit. Then, peeled manually by using your hand. After peeling, make sure to put into a big bowl with water to prevent brownish or blackish of the banana fruit. After peeling those bananas, we're going now to slice. Cut the banana into thinly sliced by using knife or chip slicer. Every time you cut, make sure to separate the sliced bananas because we're going to cook it by batches to prevent to stick together when frying. This time, we're going to prepare the mixture to make it sweetened mixture by dissolving 2 teaspoons of brown sugar to the 4 tablespoons of water. Mix and stir well until it's well blended. After preparing the mixture, it's time for us to fry the banana to make it banana chips. In a pan, heat oil. Once the oil is heated, add the sliced banana. This time, we will cook the first batch. My secret, to make it more crispy, we will double fry this. Stir the sliced banana occasionally so that they cook evenly. Another 1 minute. All you have to do is spread 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons per batch to make it sweetened. When you see that the color is light brown, it means that your banana crispy is already cooked. You will now scoop out because it's cooked already. This is now my delicious, crispy sweetened banana chips recipe. If you love this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day!